Want to isolate the subject from the background of your photo? Here's how to do it in Befunky. First, open your image in the Befunky editor. Select the cutout tool from the left toolbar. Click on the Detach button. This will allow Befunky to automatically detect the subject of your photo and separate it from the background. You can refine the edges using the brush tool, adjusting the size for more precise selections. Once you have separated the subject, click Apply to finalize the changes. This is perfect for creating a clean, professional look when working with product photos or portraits. Do you often detach subject in your images for designs or presentations? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.